Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Also, we will show you how to properly configure the new battery for usage. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray. Next, undo the two bottom screws using a pentalobe screwdriver. Next, remove the screen from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the edges of the screen. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, use a suction cup to lift the screen. Use the suction cup at the bottom to raise the screen and gently pull the screen to create a gap for inserting a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker. Next, work around the screen to loosen the rubber gaskets around the frame. This step takes time. Be patient. Once the screen is free, carefully open it from right to the left to a 90-degree angle. The flex cables are still connected. Handle them with extra care. Next, remove the shield by undoing the 8 screws. Be especially careful with the top screw near the sensor plug and take care when lifting the shield. And then disconnect the battery connector. Next, unplug the LCD connector, followed by the sensor assembly connector from the logic board. Now the screen can be fully separated from the body. Next, remove the faulty battery from the device. Start by removing the speak assembly by undoing the 4 screws. Next, disconnect the Taptic engine connector and remove the 3 screws securing it to the body. Next, remove the battery adhesive tabs. This device typically has 3 adhesive strips, one at the top and 2 at the bottom. Carefully peel and pull the tabs slowly using your fingers. Please note that the number of adhesive tabs may vary depending on previous repair history. If the adhesive tabs break, carefully use a pry tool to lift the battery from the body. Do not bend or puncture the battery. Once you take out the battery, clean the surface for any remaining adhesive strips. Next, reinstall the Taptic engine by securing the 3 screws and connecting the plug. And then secure the speaker assembly by adding 4 screws. For the replacement battery, we recommend using a genuine or high quality compatible battery that supports iOS battery configuration option. Next, place the new battery into position for testing. Reconnect the display connectors and power on the device for testing. Once the testing completed, disconnect and remove the screen and battery. Finally, secure the new battery to the body using adhesive strips. Next, before clamping the screen, clean off any old adhesive from the frame edges. Next, apply the pre-cut water seal adhesive to the frame. Please note that this adhesive does not guarantee full water resistance. Take your time to position it evenly around the frame. Next, carefully align the front screen assembly with the frame. Start by connecting the sensor flex, followed by the LCD connector. Once both are securely connected, reconnect the battery plug to the logic board. Next, turn on the device for testing. Then install the shield and secure it with 8 screws. Finally, install the screen. Align the top edge first, then gently press it into place. Work your way along the sides and bottom, applying even pressure around the edges to ensure proper seal. And then secure the phone by adding 2 screws to the bottom. Next, start configuring the new battery. Before starting the configuration process, Make sure the phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and has enough battery charge. Next, go to Settings, General and About. The phone should detect the new battery and display the Finish Repair option. Tap Restart and Finish Repair. You may see a software update message here. You can continue with the update or cancel it. Either way, the device will restart. Once the phone turns on, the repair assistance screen will appear. Tap Continue and connect to the Wi-Fi and agree to the license terms. Next, the configuration process will begin and verify the new battery compatibility. Do not interrupt the process while the configuration is running. Once the configuration is complete, tap Continue and then tap Restart to finalize the repair process. After the phone restarts, check battery health, maximum capacity, and parts and service history to confirm the new battery is properly configured. Please note, depending on the replacement battery type, some aftermarket batteries may not support full battery health or genuine part verification. Either way, the battery will work with some limitation on the iPhone, mainly not displaying the battery health on the settings. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.